Today we are reading Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups by James D. Hiccup! Oh no! Pete has the hiccups. Hic! Hiccup! Hiccup! Hic! Hic! How do I stop my hiccup? Pete asked Grumpy Todd. How do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Grumpy Todd. You stand on one foot. Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup, hic, hic. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Callie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Callie. You stand on one foot and hop up and down. Pete stands on one foot and hop up and down. Hiccup, hiccup, hic. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down and he sings a song. Hiccup, 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 hic, hic, hic. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly. Pete does it. Hiccup, hic. Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go and ask Mom, says Bob. Pete asked Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it. Pete hold his breath. Pete blow his breath out. That's it? Pete asked. That's it, says Mom. Pete waits and he waits and he waits. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. The end. See you in the next story time.